this newest comparison we've brought out that compares the crypto trading bots. Got different prices, different exchanges. Very interesting in terms of some of the strategies. Some of them are built in. This is some really, really intense guys. I met the guys from Margin when I was in New York. I think I've tried Profit Trailer for a little bit. Very interesting. All sorts
How'd
of.
you go?
I don't think I did too well.
No?
I think it was no. I think because I'm probably too new at understanding how it works. But
Yeah, okay.
didn't do terribly well, unfortunately. But maybe there are people who understand that and a bit more. I think you'd be really analytical, with that kind of stuff and really on it.
I mean, I'm assuming it's going to say on there, but do they work more off like arbitrage between exchanges, or is it more about looking at patterns and trying to automate that process of buying, selling, and doing high frequency stuff?
I think there are a number of different strategies as to how they employ them, and I think a lot of those are like there's all sorts of different ways of doing it. Again, not my area of strength, but I think this guide will help everyone sort of trying to make a decision on that.